topic what we have seen, subject verb agreement or concord. How many rules we have seen yesterday? 5 rules. Okay. Then I ask you one question. Why we are not using did and had in subject verb agreement? Especially in this topic, why we are avoid using this? Apart from this, what are the verb form we are using? To, that, had, got, where, have and all we are using. Okay. And also you can use the present form of a verb, that is V1 form of a verb. But the question is why we are not using the past tense with the subject and verb agreement. Okay. And modal also we are not using it. So if you recollect, we have seen all those details earlier in tenses. Yes or no? Could you relate with the tenses? Okay, the thing is that the topic definition is a subject must agree with the verb by its form. That is the concept, you know. Why we are not using past tense in the same? In a past tense, there is no distinction between the subjects. In the same, you can use it in all the subjects. You can use it in the first person singular, plural, and what is the second person? What is the second person? You, and plural also you. And what is the third person? Third person singular. He, it. And what kind of a verb will you use? Past tense. He went, she went, they went. So there is no distinction. So why we are not using the past tense had in this thing? These two things are there is no distinction with the subject as like that. இதே present level சொல்லுங்க he goes to the hospital, she walked, she. That distinction you can't find with the past tense case. Similarly for had also. Why we are using had? Because third person singular. He had, she had, they. Will you use have with the they? What else will you use? Have. So what is the concept of not applying the past tense in the thing? Because in a past tense everything is equal with the verb form. There is no distinction of singular plural distinction and modals also. What are the modal verbs we can use? What are the modals we can use? Can, could, may, might. We can use can, could with all kind of a singular and plural. I can, she can, he can, he could. So there is no distinction. When you don't have a distinction with the verb structure, there is no need to use. So here the condition is a subject must go with the verb by its form. So it's totally against our rule. So that's what we are not using the past tense with the subject and verb agreement. Now you got clear answer, right? So this is how you can connect a topic. And today we are going to see few more topics. I have written two examples here. Patrick along with his brother dash to dash coming to the party, and here you can find another sentence as well as. So what is the possible answer? What is the possible answer you can use here? Where is are? When? For the first sentence, are. For the second one, is. Why it is so? How did you choose this verb? Is there any difference? You have given me answer, right? So what makes you to give me this answer? Here you have two subjects. One is Patrick and then one is brother is also here. So then how come you can give here it is and all? என்ன ரூல் எடுத்துட்டீங்க? So this is new rule we didn't see so far. Okay. So here the keyword is as well as along with. You can say when the subject is connected with the word like along with, together with, in addition to, besides, as well as and all, it takes the verb based on the first subject. Okay. So it doesn't affect any kind of a issue with the rest of the part. So you have to place the verb based on the first subject only in the case of when it is added with the such a word such as well as, along with, together with, have these combo, you can go into the verb form based on the first subject. So here students, it is in the form of plural. So here you can go with the answer are. And here it is the subject which is in the form of singular. So our answer will be singular. So this is how you can derive answer. So what is the keyword here? When you are connected the subject by adding as well as along with together with that all. Okay. And here it is the industrial dash always not successful. The industrial in the sense hard-working people. So the hard-working people all are not successful. So what verb we are supposed to place here? If or wherever you are using is in that particular place, what is also accepted. Okay. So if போடுற இடத்துல was போடலாம். அதே போல similarly or போடுற இடத்துல you can use where also. But also look at the context of the sentence. So context க்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி place பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? So here we are addressing the industrious people, poor, which means that we are talking about the whole group of people, not any particular one. In the sense, to be more clear, when the adjective is used to begin a sentence, adjective which if you are making a sentence in the sense, it takes only a plural form of a verb. What is the rule here? When the adjective become a beginning of a sentence, it takes only the plural form of a verb. So in that case, we are using plural form of a verb. The poor in this sense, not only one particular poor, all the poor people. For instance, if you are saying the youth, the youngster, in the sense not any one particular, we are addressing the whole group of people. Okay. And these terms are called as indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Words such as each one, everyone, anyone, anybody, anything, someone, somebody, something. So these are the terms are known as indefinite pronoun. So when you have indefinite pronoun to begin a sentence, each one of you come out. Each of the board, we used to speak all these indefinite pronoun in our day-to-day conversation. So what verb form will come here? Each boy. Why don't we use have? Whether it is has or have? Has. Why? Because the rule is that indefinite pronouns always take only the singular form of your verb. Stronger சொல்லுங்க ஏன் have place பண்ணனும்னா indefinite pronoun. What are all the things called as indefinite pronoun? Anyone, anybody, no one, everyone, someone. All these words are taken come under indefinite pronoun and something is went wrong. Okay, so here it is each boy has the right to vote. Everyone likes sweet. Okay, wow. So in the rule which you can place your order. Okay, and the last, this is another rule. The new dash depressing and this is dash very difficult for some people. So what verb form will come here? See, the problem கிடையாது. Thing is that நமக்கு என்ன ரூல் நால தெரியும். So learn the topic with the rules. Okay, then use because it looks plural in form. Yet what factor confusing us in the thing? The word appears plural in form, whereas physics, news, mathematics, English, civics, economics, these are all the words. The word itself has the yes at the end of it. So yes ஓட இருக்கும்போது automatically we felt the word வந்து plural form ஆ இருக்கு. But what is the rule applicable here is certain nouns look plural in form. பார்க்கிறதுக்கு plural ஆ இருக்கு, but actually they are singular. So it takes only singular form of your verb. I just listed out few words like physics, civics, mathematics, English, இதெல்லாம் சொன்னோம்ல, economics, failures and all. So these are all the words look plural in form. Actually they are singular in nature. So take only singular form of your verb. Okay va? So இதே மாதிரி இதுக்கு கான்ட்ராஸ்டா இன்னொரு ரூல் இருக்கு. அது என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா words such as police, crowd and all. These two words look singular in form, but literally these two So like that the rule gets changed. So how many rules we have seen so far? இப்போ மட்டும் பார்த்த rules எத்தனை? Along with yes. So each one of you can just summarize. From the girls side, you can take the first one, can take the easiest rule. Yes. நம்ம கேட்கலையா whose pen is this? Anybody wants this? நம்ம தப்பு பண்ணக்கூடாது. When you know the rule, அதை நம்ம implement பண்ணணும். Mistake avoid பண்றதுக்கு. Okay, because